Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tour of my house in Bloxburg. So yeah, I'm not in it yet because I have to start the video. So okay. Okay. So I don't want to get copyrighted, but it's also kind of boring for me to. Just waiting. Okay. So I haven't changed. Okay. So this is the front of the house. Sorry about that, guys. I had to go and eat dinner. Anyway, so here's the front of it and the top. Okay, so first there's my garage. It's got a motorbike, skateboard, car, a power box, and then a door leading in. I'm just gonna go around this way though. So this is the kitchen. It's got an ice cream, all these utilities. I might just eat this. Just gonna drink some coffee so I can get up my energy. Okay, and so this is the kitchen. It's got some cabinets, a little, whatever you call that, eating area outside. And then this is where you can sit and eat, just like a bar. And this, if you walk into here, this is where you eat dinner. It's just got some napkins, chandelier, and yeah. And then in the other one, this is where you eat, watch TV. And it's just got a little seating area, another light, a fireplace, and then TV and a remote. And then in here, there's just some windows, and this is the pool area. With like a slide, and just, and this house is worth 184,847. So that's the backyard. And then, so that's the first level. And then there's just this opening door that comes into the garage again, and you just see all these lights. So yeah, that's downstairs. And then once you walk upstairs, you just see the little staircase, a chilling circle in the middle, a balcony that just looks out to the whole house. So this is my room. Just has this bed, a laptop, and then from here, this is my wardrobe. I'll come to that door in a second. So that's my room. Then this door is bathroom 1. It has a shower, blind, toilet with blinds, and just a little washing hand station, I think, yeah. And then in this door here, this is where it meets up. This is the door that comes here, and this leads into my room. So from here, that's the bathroom. And then we'll get to that one soon. And then this is a teen room. This is mainly a girl house. Yeah, so it has 2 beds. This is a maroon room. And it comes with a couch as well, a desk, a laptop, a wardrobe, and then this, bathroom. So yeah, and then this right here is a kid room. So it just has some macaroons, little, whatever you call it, carpet, and then some beds, a light switch. I might eventually turn this into a boys and girls room, so I'll probably put like a split through the middle with a blue bed and a pink bed. That's what I'm probably going to do in the future. And then this door right here, bathroom. This is the big bathroom, and then there's this little area where you can see. It just has some lights. Some lights, a shower, may as well just have a jacuzzi, a bath, whatever you call it. Let me, oh my gosh, help me. I can't get it out. Okay, fine. And yeah, that's my house. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Oh, also don't tell me why there's a counter sticking out and that thing. Just ignore it. Okay. Bye!